What is your name? My name is Shabir. How are you? I am fine. Thank you. Where are you from? I am from Pakistan. Where do you live? I live in Hazro. How old are you? I am 35 years old. What do you do? I am a teacher. Are you busy? Yes, I am. Are you free? Yes, I am. What time is it? It's 10 o'clock. What day is today? Today is Tuesday. Are you hungry? Yes, I am hungry. Are you thirsty? Yes, I am thirsty. Can you help me? Yes, of course. What are you doing? I am studying. Where are you going? I am going home. Do you speak English? Yes, a little. Do you understand? Yes, I do. Can you repeat, please? Sure. What is this? This is a book. What is that? That is a chair. Is this yours? Yes, it is mine. Do you like tea? Yes, I do. Do you like coffee? No, I don't. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. What is your phone number? My phone number is. Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. Shall we go? Yes, let's go. Where is the market? It is nearby. Are you happy? Yes, I am happy. Are you tired? Yes, I am tired. Who is he? He is my friend. Who is she? She is my sister. When will you come? I will come tomorrow. Why are you late? Because of traffic. How much is this? It is 500 rupees. May I come in? Yes, come in. See you later. See you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.